so this is the top area. And then there is a bottom screw hole, but there's no top side screw hole that connects into that.
Get in here.
So it should be about right there. You can see where it's marked, but it isn't cut out. So I'm not sure if I can just, I don't know how I'm gonna do that. All right, so it's nice and big. They take naps in here together. I usually keep this door closed. Opens pretty easily. And then down here, turn, lift up, and it holds it there for you. And there's the whole thing. Oh yeah, we love this.